Morning, dear students. Today in this class we will solve the exercise which is there, the chapter The Swing, okay, the poem. So we have discussed the poem, you understood the poem, and I hope I have given you to learn the poem. I hope you have learned too. So what you are to do is take out page number 46. Yes, this portion, word wonder. See, have you taken out? We will solve the exercise today in our today's class. Okay, so look at these pictures and read the names. Look at these pictures and you have to name the things. Okay, bread and butter, thread and needle, coat and tie, day and night. These are called word pairs. Okay, word pairs means they go together, they are used together, day and night. Coat and tie, these are called word pairs. Word pairs are a set of two words which are always used together. These words have an order. Okay, these words have an order. It's not that you can say coat and socks, coat and shoes. No, coat and tie. This tie goes with coat, coat and tie. These two are used together. These are called word pairs. A set of words which are always used together and have an order are called word pairs. Okay, we say day and night, not night and day. We don't say night and day, we say day and night. So here are some pictures given which you are to match and make the word pair. Okay, so lock and bucket, no. Lock and cross, no. Lock and pencil, no. Lock and key, yes. So lock and key, it is used together. We don't say key and lock, we say lock and key. Pen and pencil, soap and water, right and wrong. Okay, so you do this: lock and key, pen and pencil, soap and water, right and wrong. So now turn on to the next page. See, here are some conversations. Hi, this girl is saying, hi, I'm Shilpa. You are Trisha, right? Yes. Do you see the girl with the orange bottle? She is Pooja. She is telling that, yes, do you see the girl with the orange bottle? Her name is Pooja. Trisha and I are neighbors. We are best friends. Now she is telling Trisha and I are neighbors. We are best friends. What you are to do is fill in the blanks with I, you or we. यहाँ पे fill in the blanks करना है I using I, we or you. So my name is Ananna. I play basketball. Next, number 2. Shreya, do you have an eraser? Number 3. My friends have come. We are going to the zoo. Number 4. I am 3 feet tall. Let me read out the sentences again. I am reading out the sentences again. Fill in the blanks with I, you or we. Number 1. My name is Ananna. I play basketball. Number 2. Shreya, do you have an eraser? Number 3. My friends have come. We are going to the zoo. Number 4. I am 3 feet tall. Okay, so you have done. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Here you have to fill in the blanks with am, is or are. So with I, am goes. Okay, always am is used with I. I am going on a school trip today. All the students of our class are. See, this is used in case of singular and are is used when there is plural noun. Okay, and am is used always with I. All the students of our class are going on a picnic on Wednesday. Next is the dog is lonely. Here is only about one dog is told, no, is spoken, so it will be is lonely. I am eagerly waiting for my holidays. Next you see, okay, let me now read out the sentences again. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. I am going on a school trip today. All the students of our class are going on a picnic on Wednesday. Number 3. The dog is lonely because he has no one to play with. Number 4. I am eagerly waiting for my holidays. Okay. So next you see, the next thing what you are to do is, the next is, listen to these words. Note the O and U sounds. See, here are the O sounds and here are the U sounds. This is short O sound and these are the long O sounds. Short O sound मतलब क्या है? When you pronounce O को ज़्यादा खींचना नहीं पड़ता है, जैसे कि hop, cod, rod. O को ज़्यादा खींचना नहीं पड़ता है, शॉर्टली ये ख़त्म हो जाता है O का प्रोनाउंसिएशन. एंड हियर व्हेन यू प्रोनाउंस होप, O को खींच के बोलना पड़ता है. कोड, रोड, देखा O को खींच के बोलना पड़ा ना, तो इसको बोलते हैं इनको लॉन्ग O साउंड. समझ यू सी शॉर्ट U sound and long U sound. We have seen O sound, now it comes to U sound. Here you see tub, hug, cub. इनको बोलने में U को खींचना पड़ा? No. Tub, hug, cub. जल्दी से बोल दिया ना हमने, इसीलिए ये short U sound है. And then you come to long U sound. Tube, huge, cube. U को थोड़ा खींच के बोलना पड़ता है ना, तो that's why it's called, these words are the long U sounds. Okay, so number A question which is given is, say the name of each picture aloud. Fill in the blanks to complete the words. Okay, you have to say the names of all the pictures and then fill in the blanks. So what is this, students? Box, B-O-X, box. This, do you know what is this? These are socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Next you see, what is this? It is a frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Next you see, what is this? It is a rose, R-O-S-E, rose. See, box, B-O-X, box. Socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Okay. Now you see, read each word. Question number B. What is this? Read each word aloud. Circle the words with the long U sounds. So here all the words are given. Some words are given to you. You have to circle the words which are having long U sounds. Okay. Mute, long. Cut, no. Fuse, nut, no. Rule, June. Hug, no. Mud, no. Cute, huge. Cup, no. Duke, yes. Run, no. No. Bug, no. Tune, yes. Okay. Now let us move on to the next page. Here you see this, your portion is listening portion. You have to listen in the app and then you will complete this. Okay, listen in the app and now complete this. Okay, next you see composition portion. What is there? You are Gaurav or Aditi. If you are a boy, you will write Gaurav. If you are a girl, you will write Aditi. On your birthday, your friend Varun or Richa gifted you a storybook. According to your choice, you can write Varun or Richa. Any name you can write. Write a thank you note to him or her. Okay. Suppose dear Varun or Richa, this one you will write yourself. Okay. Any name you may choose. you can choose Varun also, you can choose Richa also, any one name. Okay, thank you for the lovely what storybook. I really love it. I am excited to have it. It was very kind of you to think of me. Thank you for making me feel special. Yours truly. Again, here you can write any name, Gaurav or Aditi you can use. If you are a boy, you can write Gaurav. If you are a girl, you can write Aditi. Okay. So this was your class student for today. Today, these are your tasks which you are to complete. So this much for today. Bye bye. Have a nice day.